Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to unlink mobile numbers from apps. As we all know, you would have added your numbers to apps so many times and you just thought of unlinking them because people now have access to your number and try to contact you more often. So first thing you have to do is open up your phone settings and scroll down to Google. Once you open up Google, you can see the Gmail account. You click on manage Google account. And once you click on that, you can see info, personal info. You click on that and you click on phone where your phone numbers are being written down and you wait for it to load up just a little while. So once it's load up, you pick the phone number. If you have so many, you already added to apps. So I'm going to pick the first one and let's see. You can see the trash bin right there. Click on it and click on remove number. So it's going to load up and Google is going to tell you to verify if it is you that is trying to delete that. So you have to use like your fingerprint or your password to verify if you are the one. So I'm going to put in my fingerprint and let's wait for it to load up. So once load up, you click on the trash bin once more. And once you click on remove number, it's going to be removed from all the apps you have added your phone numbers to before. If this guide was helpful, give the thumbs up and equally subscribe to get my full tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.